Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Corolla, one of the world's best-selling cars. For decades, the Corolla has been known for reliability, affordability, and efficiency. But Toyota has given the 2025 model a fresh update, with modern styling, advanced tech, and more efficiency than ever before. Let's explore everything you need to know. The Corolla 2025 arrives with a bold, refreshed exterior. The front fascia now features a sharper grille design, sleeker LED headlights, and more sculpted body lines that give it a sportier and more dynamic road presence. Higher trims come with 17 or even 18-inch alloy wheels, while sport-oriented models like the Corolla SE or XSE feature black accents and a more aggressive look. Toyota has struck a balance between elegance and athletic design, making the Corolla feel youthful yet practical. Step inside, and you'll notice the cabin feels more premium and technology-driven than previous models. The centerpiece is a new 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system on higher trims, paired with an upgraded 7-inch digital driver display. Standard features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and improved voice controls. Comfort hasn't been forgotten. The Corolla offers supportive seating with available soft-tex leatherette upholstery, dual-zone climate control, and an ergonomic layout. Rear passengers get decent space for a compact sedan, and the trunk offers around 13 cubic feet of cargo capacity, perfect for everyday needs. The 2025 Corolla gives buyers a few choices under the hood. The base 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine produces around 169 horsepower, providing a good balance of power and efficiency for city and highway driving. For those looking for maximum fuel savings, the Corolla Hybrid is the star of the lineup, delivering over 50 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most efficient non-electric cars in its class. Toyota has also refined the suspension for better comfort and stability, so the Corolla feels planted on the road while still soaking up bumps with ease. Tech lovers will appreciate features like wireless charging, premium JBL audio on higher trims, and multiple USB-C ports for fast charging. But one of the biggest selling points of the Corolla is safety. Every 2025 model comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and even road sign recognition. These features not only add peace of mind, but also make the Corolla an excellent value compared to its competitors. Pricing for the 2025 Corolla is expected to start around $23,000 for the base model and go up to about $29,000 for fully loaded trims. That means it stays affordable while offering features you'd normally find in more expensive vehicles. The 2025 Toyota Corolla continues its legacy as a smart, reliable choice, but with a fresh and modern twist. With stylish design, efficient hybrid options, advanced tech, and top-tier safety, it's easy to see why this sedan has stayed a global bestseller for so long. The Corolla 2025 isn't just practical. It's a car that fits perfectly into modern lifestyles. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest cars of 2025 and 2026. And let me know in the comments, would you choose the new Corolla, or do you prefer something sportier like the Honda Civic or Hyundai Elantra?